our friends, happy Easter. So today we would like to show you how we make our very special turkey. So with this turkey, it is not the traditional turkey with, all the dry spices and ingredients. This is quite different. So with this turkey, we marinated it for over 24 hours. I think probably 3 days we marinated it. So with this turkey, we have like lemongrass, we have lemon, ginger, garlic, we have soda of your choice. But specifically we have, it's either ginger ale or Sprite would work, and vinegar and fresh garlic and all that good stuff, right? So to get the exact recipe for these ingredients, you can watch this or look at this section, and yeah, you should give it a try. So here, since I marinated it already, you can see it's already been, kind of like pale because of the acidity from the lemon, from the vinegar. And what I'm gonna do, I am going to strain all this goodness here, and I will stuff it inside my turkey. All right, except for the lemon, because it gives bitterness when you put way too much, right? So this stuff will go inside the turkey. Just like so. Stuff it in there. Alright. Pretty. There you go. So I'm gonna hold the tip of the wings just so it will not burn. Pretty fast. And there you go, guys. So this is our turkey. Nothing special. We don't put any butter, layers of butter, but this is really moist and really tasty. So we'll show you when it's done. please don't forget to subscribe and try this recipe. And don't forget to like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. Thanks everyone. Bye.